Content creation is hard, from writing scripts to coming up with video ideas, coming up with titles, and even editing, researching on trends that don't even last long before you make a video about it. The trend is off. What if I told you there's a tool that makes you work faster, smarter, and even better than before? This is ChatGPT. And whether you realize it or not, it is changing the creator economy forever. I swear this is not an ad, but if OpenAI wants to pay up, one might say no. First, what's the problem that creators face? Have you ever sat down to script a video and nothing comes? No ideas, no flow, just vibes. Yeah, me too. But what if you had an assistant, one that works round the clock, never gets tired, and can instantly generate video ideas, scripts, and even marketing strategies? That's where AI comes in. How is ChatGPT revolutionizing content creation? 1. Generating video ideas instantly. I'm saying this because this is how it's been very useful to me. Instead of staring at a blank page, I just type in a few words and boom, video ideas, ready to go. You can train a model or the AI by the questions you ask. Number 2, writing video scripts faster. This entire video was scripted by ChatGPT, and this was something I was looking to try out for a bit. AI won't replace creativity, but it will get you past the hardest part, which is starting. Then you tweak it, and you add in your style, and suddenly you are not stuck anymore. Number 3 is SEO and viral title optimization. I've tested this, right? I wrote a title and I asked ChatGPT for a better one. Guess which one got more clicks? Obviously not mine. Number 4, repurposing content across platforms. Recently, I made a video and I made that script actually in ChatGPT, and it's a long form video. So I asked ChatGPT, okay, I'm making this video, but I'm making an Instagram cut. Can you help me make a shorter script, or how I could make this video for a short form platform? And then it did that. And like that short form content did so well. Why create one so you can multiply? AI helps you turn one idea into 5 pieces of content. You can work smarter rather than working very hard. Now, what's the big picture? Is AI a threat, or is AI just a tool to make people better and efficient at what they do? Now, I know what you're thinking, but Mitch, doesn't this mean AI will replace creativity or content creators or creators in general? Hold up, relax. Creativity is human. AI is just a tool. The creators who learn to use it, they will win. The ones who ignore it, well, we'll find out. You know how some people have concerns like, is ChatGPT bad for originality? Or if I, create something with AI, does that mean it's still original to me? And yeah, let's address this elephant in the room. Does ChatGPT kill originality? If AI can write scripts, generate videos, and even edit videos, what's left for us? Here's my answer to that question. AI is like a calculator for words. It helps speed things up, but you still decide how to use it. The best creators don't just copy paste AI outputs. They remix, refine, and inject their own voice. That's the difference between a template and a masterpiece. So no, AI isn't making creators less original. If anything, it's making us more efficient, giving us more time to focus on the real creative work. ChatGPT isn't magic. It won't replace your creativity, but it will save you time, help you brainstorm, and make your life easier. The future of content creation belongs to those who know how to adapt. And if you can adapt with ChatGPT, you will definitely go a long way with creating content and the general scope of things. Aside even content creation, I use ChatGPT for my everyday work, or questions, or findings, or research. Also, if ChatGPT has been useful to you, you might want to leave in the comment section how it's been of great help to you and the work you create, so other people could actually tap into that and see, oh, I could actually be using ChatGPT or AI to do XYZ in this section of the work I create, or in just my general living. I think people would definitely appreciate that. And if you want to see how AI can actually help you make more money or money in general, hit the subscribe button and let's grow smarter together. In another video, I will show you how you can actually earn money using AI as a tool rather than looking at it as an enemy.